If you want to charge OnePlus 15R, then essentially you need to use a USB cable, whether it is USB-A to USB-C or USB-C to USB-C, because we only have wired charging available on this phone. Unfortunately, we cannot charge this phone wirelessly, hence why only the USB cable works. Ideally, with the USB cable, you want to use a power adapter, because they are just simply the fastest methods, the fastest way to charge your phone. Power adapters are fast, and of course this should be the main way to charge your phones. However, I can of course understand if you are in a situation where you don't have a power adapter or charger, it got broken, it wasn't delivered yet, and so on and so forth. This is why instead of using a power adapter, you can also use anything else that provides power through USB cable. This can be, for example, your computer or laptop or anything similar to that. This can be a power bank, this can be your car, anything that has USB port and it provides power with that USB cable. Computers, of course, they do have USB ports, and you can use the USB port and connect your phone to your computer in order to charge it. The same thing can be done, for example, in a car if your car has USB port. Unfortunately, not all of these options are pretty great for charging, because let's say computers in this example are pretty slow for charging, and they are mostly used just to transfer some files instead of charging. And in the case of cars, of course, not everyone has the option to charge with a cable in a car, or maybe you don't have a car, so of course that is out of the line in that case. And of course power banks, not everyone has power banks as well, so essentially you just want to find anything that you can use with the power with the USB cable to power your OnePlus 15R, and that is pretty much it. So now just to demonstrate how it works, of course in this case I'm going to use a power adapter. We connect one end to the power adapter, we plug it in. Once it is inserted into the power socket, we should be able to connect it to the phone using the USB-C port at the bottom of the phone. And that is pretty much it. Now we are charging our phone. Leave a like and subscribe.